Good day, friends and BERDEA sellers. We are back on the road and ready to visit another property. This time, dito naman tayo sa Indang Cavite to visit a fully developed residential farm property na perfect for a vacation home or for retirement. By the way, we just checked 3 properties in Alfonso and Magallanes, Cavite, but now we're heading to Indang Cavite. I'm really excited to show you what this location has to offer. So, tara, samahan nyo ako. So, napansin nyo din siguro na maayos din mga daan. But we're still here at Alfonso. Nandito tayo now at Alfonso Town proper. Dito na tayo sa Paindang. Nakita nyo ang signing. Napansin nyo ba na very nature ang feels dito? Ganito talaga dapat ang pagpili ng location. When you're looking for a vacation house or for your retirement. Kahit nasa daan ka pa lang, relaxing na agad ang paligid. And you know, Indang is really booming right now. The cool climate here is very similar to Tagaytay, which is why I can say that Indang is a good place in finding your dream retirement or vacation property. Plus, the location is very accessible whether you're heading to Tagaytay, Mendez, or 13 Martires. Even the commute or drive to Manila. So, nandito na yata tayo sa property as we arrive. Cemented road and fully fenced path. So, friends, this is a gated property. Take note of that. This property has the size of 2,230 square meters. It has a Nordic Loft Type House with swimming pool. Yan po ang house. I know you will ask, bakit maliit ang house? And I agree. But there's still enough space for you to build another house, right? That's the bonfire area. I like this outdoor kitchen. It's very spacious because it's located outside. Anything you want to fry is okay. This property has ample space for parking, so we don't have to worry if marami tayo sasakyan na ipapark. Ayan, nakita natin. Now let's go inside the house. It's simple. The owner intended to finish it like that so the new owner can put his own style in designing the interior of the house. Also, hindi rin basta bahay lang ito. This is built with high quality materials and for sure, hindi tayo mapapahiya. Dito tayo ngayon sa second floor. Spacious din, di ba? Kahit loft type ito. This property has 3 toilet and bath. May tree house din ito, guys. 3 shower and lounge, water tank with submersible, installed street lights. So there you have it, friends. Please don't forget to like our channel and don't forget to share this video and subscribe. Till our next property viewing. Bye!